It's coming, guys.
We're here at Universal today to give you guys an update on all things Halloween Horror Nights. And today we're starting our day over at Islands of Adventure so we can go ahead and see the brand new All Hallows Eve Boutique. New name, new store. Can't wait to go in there and see what everything looks like. I saw online that there's pins, so I will be making a purchase today. Gotta get those pins. But excited to see what this all looks like. Also, I want to say thank you to you guys for watching day 1 of Loshkist. If you guys haven't checked it out, go ahead and see it. I gave a shout out to 13 creators that you guys should check out in general during this haunt season. But with that being said, let's get over there to All Hallows Eve Boutique, see how she looks. Now, as soon as you walk in, you are greeted with a world famous Hudson Pier sign and a clown that is wearing a very familiar clown costume. This is Jack's costume. And then we also have a ton of merch that we've already seen. So the shirt, the orange shirt here, the Quiet Place merchandise, some horns. This is fairly new to us. These cups have been around. This hat's been around. There's also little touches around the place. A little boo, Major Sweets hat, an eyeball, a skull shirt. The little boo pumpkin pillow is back. It's 30 bucks now. And we have a new mug. Ooh. It's a nice looking mug. It has the design. This is a really nice design. I like it a lot. It's $20 for the mug. Not bad. Very simple. And then we have some ornaments. So we have this one here. I think this was in 5 and dime as well. So there's 20 bucks as well. I find myself maybe spending $20 on an ornament over a mug. I'm not a mug guy. I have like 4 mugs at the house and I don't use any of them. That's just the weird way that I am. Along with that, we also have an ID holder. It's pretty sick. Has a little boo right there. And that same design. I like this design a lot. I don't really ever use an ID holder, so I don't think I'll need this. But let's see how much this is. Oop, it's not focusing. It's 14. Not bad. Not bad. Good pricing, Senor Boo. Good pricing. Now down here we have a kid shirt with just Boo on it. I wish we had this in adult sizes because I technically don't have a little Boo shirt, but I feel like this would be perfect to wear. I don't know. Maybe I'll buy it for one of my friends that has a kid and they wear it. This shirt's only 25 though, so not bad. And right here we have another ornament. I'm guessing this one would also be 20. It is also 20. I like this one more. I feel like it's more poppin' than the little Boo one that's right here. It's pretty cool though. I like the design. Now moving away from this side and coming over here, you can see they have more of this skull merch. It's kind of sick. They have a new freestyle cup. I'm telling you, this is probably my favorite design that they have out for this year. So vibrant. Ooh, put it back there. And then down here, there's something that I think is a little controversial when it comes to Horror Nights, because you're not allowed to have chains. You're not allowed to bring chains into Horror Nights. So it's weird that they have that and then this right here. I don't know how they're gonna sell this and then not let you bring it into Horror Nights in general. And moving away from this room and coming over here, we have a wild Aiden. And along with that, there's also a bunch of roaches. It's very weird. I don't like the sound of this. It's very not pleasant on the ears. Here's another sign at Hudson Pier. And then right over here, we have Major Sweets' hat. But he doesn't wear purple in the scare zone. I wonder if he's going to wear purple in the house. A little different. Not sure. But looking over in the corner, we see a lot of stuff here that's like nods to Sweet's Revenge, which is pretty cool to see. So back here we have Clown Head, Baby, and we got Little Boo himself right here. And Aiden earlier pointed out the handbook for the recently deceased is right there. Aiden pointed that out. I did not. So that's pretty cool to see. I like that. I love little touches. But it's so much fun to see. Such a fun store. This looks a lot like the clown head over there, but it's not the same clown head. A lot of teddy bears. And myself. Hello. Right here, we have a Will Boo poster. See him at the Hudson Pier. And then the Mega Castle Arcade. It's all new location. Yeah, that's the store. Nice. These stores are always super tiny. There's really nothing like else here. She has Horror Nights merch, little Easter eggs. Ooh, the cat from Sweet's Revenge as well. A wheel. Yeah, it's nice. We love this kind of stuff. Candy King, Skull Smash. Can't read Hudson Pier backwards, but Hudson Pier. Pumpkin Plinko. And then Spider Racers. Kind of cool. We'd love to see it. Now inside of Island Trader Market, they have some Halloween Horror Nights merchandise. It's very weird, very odd. Speaking of odd.
Didn't see you there. I'm just drinking out of this Quiet Place heat reactive mug for $20.
But yeah, it's weird. I still don't like this shirt, by the way, guys. If this is still available at the end of the event, and I like the house, I'll buy it. That's my promise. If it's not number 10 on my rankings, I'll buy the shirt. We've made our long trek over from Islands of Adventure to Universal, and on the way here, we found a light. I just love randomly finding little lights everywhere. If you haven't noticed the theme in all of my update videos. But there it is. There's a light, and it looks like that is a maybe red? Maybe yellow? Not 100% sure, but there's a light up there. Pretty cool. Now away from that light, we turn around and we see that the Halloween Horror Nights arch is going to be back. Oh man, that's exciting. I love that this has come back recently in years just to be a staple of Halloween Horror Nights. We're going to see the giant neon sign, hopefully. This is nice. I can't wait. It's going to be so nice to see. But it really makes me wonder, like, how's duality going to work? Like, the actors are going to be here and over there potentially, but where exactly will they be? I'm not sure. But it's fun to see regardless. So always love this. Can't wait to see the fog machines come out. They should be coming out in the next couple weeks. So exciting times. Also, a light. Inside of the Universal Studios store, there's also some Halloween Horror Nights merch. So this is the first bit of merch they have up in this store. So that's very exciting. Just think about it. In a couple weeks, this is all going to be spooky. Aiden's going to be standing there too, but it's all going to be spooky. Can't wait. Me and Aiden are inside of the Five and Dime now. It is pouring rain outside currently, so we're just waiting for it to stop to get back to the updates. So yeah, they also have some merch over here in the Five and Dime. So
not everything, but some stuff.
I'll show you guys a quick little, real quick. But yeah, that's all they got. We've now left the Five and Dime. It has not stopped raining. It's still raining, but we must continue the construction update because why not? Which way do we go? Aiden, you pick.
The show must go on. We go to Central Park.
Central Park? Okay, we're going to Central Park. Let's go look at the lightning. Let's go look at the swamp. It's our favorite sign to see. Pardon our dust. And as we look, they've added a lot of things here. Whole lot of little stuff. And now it looks like there's no open area when it comes to the fences. This is nice. It's also very curious to me that like there's actually stuff just on the sidewalk, because this typically isn't a thing for Horror Nights. So it's odd. It's kind of nice. Very cool. Look at that covered speaker. It's cool. We'd love to see it. Oh, there's also little details over there. I gotta cross the street and check that out. Hello. But they added a little chair. They added a little light. And they added something that my mom would love. An owl. Pretty cool. And there's a nice little picnic basket. Dude's just trying to have a picnic out here in the middle of the swamp. What a nice guy. But yeah, it's really nice. I love all the little details that have been added to the zone. It's not just like random fences. It's actually like completely used. And I wonder if they're going to put anything here. Last year we had the big airplane here. So I wonder if they'll put something here. Maybe this is where they end up putting like a gator? Something? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Look at Aiden getting that B-roll. Going right into his phone. Look at that. Wow. But it's beautiful. I love this. This is what I wanted. A little bit of the lights behind the fence that'll come through here. Nice little low fog effect. It's going to be terrifying in here. It will be truly a perfect little zone to come through. And honestly, this might just be very terrifying at night. And I'm not the biggest like zombie fan when it comes down to like anything Horror Nights. So we'll see how that goes. But again, anything's possible. Horror Nights can really make me fall in love with this. Or they can just make me hate it. But I think so far, just based on everything that we have, it's going to be a zone that I end up loving. There's just so much detail in it. Can't go wrong with it. It's great. And then right over here we have a nice little missable detail. Whoop. We have the orca. Now if I'm not mistaken, this is the exact prop that was used in Dead Man's Pier. Still has the screws on it and everything. Very nice. We'd love to see it. But yeah, I can't wait to see the zone in full action with all the actors. It's gonna be sick. Alright, we're now walking through Springfield, heading our way to the rest of the park. And I'm gonna forever be sad about the fact that there's nothing coming to Springfield. I miss the chainsaws here. They were such a fun experience. Like, it's something that I really loved. It added a little bit of scare. Like, I love seeing the clowns here. I love seeing just everything, the Anarcade horde that was here. It was perfect. But we're never gonna see them again. But with that being said, we're walking towards, I believe, Men in Black. I don't think anything's going on over there. So we're just gonna cross the bridge and go over to Diagon. We're now at the bridge. I still don't see that light, which would have been over here. Hopefully soon. But I do see a lighting truss up there. So, going that way now. So you guys can see by the water, it's still raining. Florida. And here's that lighting truss in all its glory. Looks like we're going to be lighting up this entire walkway. Maybe we're gonna have some food booths over here. That'll be something we'll possibly see within a couple weeks. But it also makes me curious too, and if we're going to get those lighting trusses over here by Diagon Alley, because they're usually out by now. It's very weird that they're not out yet. But hey, we'll find out soon. So there's nothing over here in Diagon Alley, and this other lighting truss still has not shown up. And over here at the potential Peacock Bar, still nothing except for this "Pardon Our Dust" sign. But we'll find out very soon. But one thing I see that makes me very happy, they've uncovered the Enter the Blumhouse coverage. Oh man, I love these signs. And I see a lot of things that have me very intrigued about this, because there's lighting along the trim, if you guys look. So it looks like there's a lighting trim around here, and then on the center there, the BH is nice and it's gonna be lit up. It's gonna be beautiful. Can't wait. Got it on both sides actually. So very cool. Can't wait to see this. It's gonna be a fantastic zone to me. And now moving away from here, we also have the giant truss that has been here. But now, looking on the back side here, there's possibly something on the other side. Most likely probably just saying Blumhouse. But since the last time I was here, they've added a little bit of details. And honestly, it's looking kind of nice. So right here, we have what looks like walls. But it's literally just that Blumhouse teal and then the brown. It blends in very well. And it's a full-on thing. They have it on both sides. It looks fantastic. Can't wait to see this in action. And then over here, they have some more of that vinyl that's similar to the BH logos that they have. So you see it over there, over here. Very similar. They have them on all four pillars. So can't wait to see what happens here. They also have this giant like generator here. Potentially to have some kind of lighting setup, or probably fog machines. But very nice. It doesn't look like this is going to be an LED sign. So maybe it has to be something that's going to be hit with a light, but we'll see. And oh man, if you guys didn't know, I'm a huge like Blumhouse fan. Now yes, they make bad movies to a lot of people, but to me, I love all of their movies and I watch all of their movies whenever they drop. So can't wait to see who's going to be in this scare zone. And they still haven't revealed a lot of the details from it, but we do know that it's happening. now this is like confirmation that this is Blumhouse. So it's kind of nice. And just for perspective, so you guys can see like how much this takes up on the street, it's literally just not even 2 feet. It's kind of nice though. So like you see right there, there's the whole street all together, and then just this right here. It works out. It works out really well actually. Behind me here we have Fast and Furious Supercharged, and a little next to it we have a tent for a Halloween Horror Nights house, which we can now basically confirm is Major Sweets Candy Company, due to the fact that one, during the UK press event, they showed a picture of the facade, and two, it's that right there. It's right there. So nonetheless, we now know that the Fast and Furious location is Major Sweets, and I am majorly excited to see this. And I know Aiden is majorly excited for this as well.
Very excited. Hype list not out yet, so I'm not going to spoil it.
Same.
But it's up there.
It is. Same. Same. Agreed. But nonetheless, that's that for here. Let's keep going to New York, see if there's anything. I highly doubt it, but let's go look. Oh, there's a red light. That means we have to stop. There's lights up here that we've seen multiple times already. The string lights down Sting Alley. And from here I can see that the stage, oh, now it's green. Look at that. What are the odds? I see that the stage has some stuff on it that was not here when I was here prior. So let's get over there and see what's on it. And here we have the stage, which they added these lights, which is odd to me. So I wonder if there's going to be like an extension to the stage, something that kind of like shoots offward, or like some kind of backdrop here to kind of have these lights projecting off. But I'm not sure, because the Torture Fair is gonna be here, and we already saw what the stage looks like, so it's gonna be nice to see. Nonetheless, I think that's something that we're very excited for. I'm so curious. I think this is the zone that I'm most curious about, but we'll see. There's also some speakers up there, so fun times. Fun times indeed. So that's pretty much everything here at the park from me and Aiden. I think we had a fun day.
Yeah. Rainy.
Eventually we're gonna do something.
Yeah.
Eventually, if you're still waiting for something on Barrel House Boys, keep waiting.
If you're good, we will do something for you. That sounds really bad. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I can't wait for possibly the next time I come to this park. That might say Halloween Horror Nights. There's a huge possibility. But also, wait, there's a little something on the screen. I gotta clean that off. Hold on. This feels very like weird. This is all staying in the video, by the way, guys. There we go, that's a lot better. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please do me a huge favor and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you're most excited for Halloween Horror Nights, and if you enjoy Loshka so far. I know it's only been 2 days, but hey, it's a question. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. Stay excellent, my dudes.